Everyone, please, can I have your attention for a moment?
Homes are selling like the newest iPhones and typically only take around 17 days to sell. They are selling with multiple offers and producing bidding wars as a result. So many sellers are worried they won't be able to find a replacement home. Can you blame them? This is totally about a valid concern given this crazy market.
I think I'm gonna put the house on the market.
Why?
Hi, my name is Omar Pineda with eXp Realty. I've done a few videos going over solutions to this very common concern, and you can click the link below to watch them all right now if you like. One possible solution is I can help you negotiate a rent back on your property. You see, in a competitive market like we are experiencing right now, where sellers have so many offers to choose from, sellers are much less likely to take a contingent offer because there is a risk that the home the buyer is selling could fall out of escrow. This would cause a seller selling their home to have to find another buyer. The seller would lose money and waste time, so it's easier for them to accept a non-contingent offer. However, a solution for sellers who want to sell right now but are afraid that they won't be able to find a replacement home is to sell their home and do a rent back. So you may be wondering, what is a rent back? A rent back is when after you sell your home, you remain on the property. This way you have the funds to purchase a new home and you will not be contingent. So your offer is much more likely to get accepted.
Pretty cool. Awesome.
Yeah.
This will take the stress and the worry off. Now there are terms to navigate and the negotiations need to be considered to keep you safe. So working with the right realtor with a fantastic team behind them will give you the peace of mind you deserve. So rest assured, I know exactly what to negotiate and what needs to be considered on your behalf to keep you safe. So no need to worry. This is just one of the many solutions we have in our toolbox. We also have tools to help you sell your home and get you the home of your dreams, even with the limited inventory. So give me a call and don't worry, there's never any pressure or obligation in meeting with me. I'm just here to help you navigate the best strategy when selling. I'm looking forward to hearing from you. And as always, my name is Omar Pineda, and allow me to elevate your lifestyle.